Yo, guess what? We're gonna try out Jules only because we're gonna try out GitHub Copilot Agent pretty soon, and then we're gonna try Replit. And this is kind of one of the pieces that I wanted to expand outside of Built by Bolt into Built by Six because I yeah, I just wanted to just get some understanding of how this stuff works. So this is Jules. We're gonna work on this a little bit. Yeah, that's cool. I'm gonna install it. I'm only gonna install it for just the Emily backend right now. Wait, Emily? No, Echo Press. Wait, what am I building right now? Oh, you know what? I don't have it set up correctly. So this is what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna come from here real quick, and I'm gonna create Echo Press backend. I hadn't created it yet. Oopsies. Echo Press backend. Oops. Okay, now we have Echo Press backend. Oh shoot. Oh wait, hold on. Please don't hate me. Can you re-upload? Okay, cool. Whew. I'm just gonna put on Echo Press right now. That's my bad. Okay, so I have to use this security key thing. I keep forgetting that that's a requirement. I already signed this, dude. Thank you. Okay, so we got it. Yeah. Can I create a branch? Yeah, let's go ahead and create a branch real quick because we don't even know what's happening right now, and I don't know how to create a branch. So, uh, oh my repo is empty. Okay, let's go here. Can you create a README for GitHub based on this description of some of the features? Question mark. And then I'll take these from the Gym Prompt Framework doc. Hey, came in handy again. Um, I hope it knows what I just gave it. It's not a podcast ad workflow, but thank you. I appreciate you. Okay, I am so just not sure how this is gonna work, and I think it's because usually when I start this type of stuff, um, I'm really I'm being serious when I say I don't know what I'm doing. You guys don't understand. All right, let's open up. I haven't showed y'all Codex Spaces yet, but let's just go ahead and open this up real quick. If you haven't used Code Spaces, it's essentially like a CLI that you can use to a command line interface. It's kind of like VS Code because they own VS Code, so it's like VS Code in the cloud. So I'm just gonna do this real quick. I wonder if they they just took it down for 3 days. I wonder if they finally made it so you can copy and paste. Oh, used to not be able to copy and paste. Okay, I see you. All right, let's yeah. Recently I was learning about like I find that I'm learning how to do it practically, but then my curiosity is now bringing things out. Like I was just chatting with ChatGPT about how to like how to use unit testing or auto testing, how to did you commit this? It says that you are still committing, I think. Hold on. I think there's something in this window that I'm not seeing real quick. Let's move that around. It's taking that long to commit? I haven't even pushed it yet. I forgot. What are the commands to push this to GitHub? I always forget what these commands are. One day I'm gonna learn them. I already did that. 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 Yep. Don't need to do that. So just git push. Okay, it says everything's up to date. So if I come to where's just regular GitHub? So again, you guys are seeing this. Echo press. Backend. Oh, do I already have a back? Okay, so here's the reason why I have two. Okay, this just has the README. Okay, cool. The reason I have two is because Bolt does not do organization GitHub, and I really want them to talk to each other. Okay, it says my commit was 3 minutes ago, but it didn't actually commit this. So oh wait, no, it might not have changed. Hold on. I want to commit to main. Sorry, y'all. This is a little surprising. Okay, it's saying it did it, but I'm looking at it right now and it says that I did not do it. Let's see if it. Nope, still can't copy and paste down there. That's insane. That makes things take so much longer. Allow, please. Okay, git push. Okay, so it should be good to go, I think. Let's see. All right, cool. It is pushed now. So now we can come here. And now we can kind of, so now that we have that, we can Again, y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. If I branch it, can I just branch it? So I'm going to say Jules feature building. All right, so here's a branch I'm going to create, and okay, so this is going to be that. That's going to tell us what the code looks like. This code spaces. Okay, so now, wow, that was instant. Okay, so I don't know what to tell it to do. So let's tell it to do. This is kind of exciting. I can't believe this technology exists. And apparently you can, but I think you can only do 5 tasks a month. So can I get more specific? Then here. Hold on. Okay, so Whisper API. Register by open API. Feeds and sends them one by one into the Whisper API. The application will take the transcripts. Will turn the audio into transcripts. And we'll probably need polling. Probably need polling here. Polling of RSS feeds. So while this is running that, oh, we need an env, which then means that we need an env for Supabase. Wow. And we need an env. Shoot, we need a lot of stuff. I just realized. We need an env for Supabase URL to know to, and the service key to know to put the transcripts into Supabase. We also need an env so that it can tap into the Whisper integration. So, or the Whisper AI, OpenAI's Whisper. So I don't think it's going to be able to do this. Apparently some people are using this. Dude, this is like when 2K launches. Like, it's like, why didn't you build your servers to be able to handle all the people are going to try to use this? You made it free. That's your fault, not my fault. Okay. I only get 5 tasks a month. That's why I'm kind of like, ugh. Yeah, go ahead and enable the code. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so in the meantime, what I need to do is I need to launch Supabase. So let's go ahead and go into Bolt. Not now. And then I also need to go ahead and... Are you telling me I haven't worked on... Oh, look. The plan's been created. Nope, not ready yet. Echo Press Club. I haven't worked on Echo Press Club since April. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, so we're going to install this and we're going to do Echo Press front end. So let's go ahead and put the GitHub on there. So we can make sure that we have all this information in the front end. and we're gonna kind of build this thing out. So I don't know what I'm gonna title this video because it's supposed to be a Jules video, me testing it out. But okay, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in here. Echo press front end. Cool. That's fast. I don't know how they made that integration so fast, but it's beautiful how fast that is. And then we're gonna go ahead and set up Supabase. Project name is going to be Echo Press Club. Okay, that's fine. We can do a quick password creation. Come on. Get back in there. Hopefully this won't show you what password I just put in. And I'll come over here while that's queuing up. Put that password in a place where I can find it. All right, computer. Hey, it's go time. It's not time to be chilling out. We're moving now. So we're gonna put this information in and I already have the Whisper API. Perfect. Are you kidding me? It lost the password. It's not in my clipboard anymore. Computer, come on, bro. Can I do it that way? I'm not even running stuff on here. I mean, I'm running a lot, let's be honest. But I'm trying to go back and forth. It's just like, I hate you with all might. You will not be able to do what you want to do right now. I hate you with all of my might. So much might. This is not the password for that, but let's say Supabase. For Echo Press. Don't do. All right, well, guess I'm gonna have to go back and do that somehow. So is my Supabase set up now? Yeah, now I'm gonna start getting charged for every single thing I do on here for Supabase. So okay, cool. All right, so I got to build the schema for this. So I'm gonna go build a schema for. Usually I say, oh, because I didn't do what I normally do. I normally say like, hey, create a Supabase integration for the entire schema that I've already built. Oops. Create a Supabase schema for all of the features of Echo Press Club. So I just wasted a migration file. Good times. Yep. Great. Oh man, I knew that was going to happen. June 21st, 11 Labs is going to start passing through um, all the costs of using LLMs, which means that everything that you put in there, like all the stuff, you have to use their agent. You use their audio, like you're paying for their minutes, but you're not paying for the API calls. So they're separating the two, which means that our costs to run Double Me just increased. Fun times. Which means that we have to figure out how we're going to absorb that. It means that all the costs of anything that uses 11 Labs, which I have a couple projects that are going to use that. Emily's going to use it. That just increases the cost of every single thing. So that's going to be fun. Wow. I mean, they said that it was short term, but they didn't say how short term it was. Yeah, if they're smart. So let me read it again. So real-time use of third-party LLMs, OpenAI, Anthropic during live conversations within conversational AI and post-call processing, including evaluation criteria, scoring, and data collection, which I don't do that. I just take the transcript. Okay. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, so I guess I'll need that. Wow. Okay, so let's see what you did over here. And then I got to go back to Jules to see what she did for me. Whoa, 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 what was that? What just happened? Oh, you building, huh? You writing code? What does this mean? What does this plus sign mean? Oh, no. Go back. Go back. Wow. I don't know how to read code, but I'm going to try. So let's see what you did, okay? Let's see what you did. Sorry, you guys are coming for a close-up. This is so exciting. I didn't have to do any of this work. Usually I'm going back and forth with ChatGPT. I mean, you guys see me working back and before. It's not pretty. And the creating function downloading from restricted URLs. Wow. And they added unit tests. Okay. Wow, wow. Please review the plan. I don't remember approving this plan, so crazy. Cool. Successfully created the... Wow. Let me... PY means they're using Python, by the way. I don't know if you need that. Successfully created the audio downloader. Wow. That is so wild. And then it gave the review. Open A5 for transcription work. Yeah, no, that's totally understandable. What if I publish this right now? Dude, did it just write all of that? That is insane. And then view the branch in GitHub, I'm assuming. Wow. What does that mean? Oh, that didn't just commit it. Okay, so comparing changes. So this is, I think, diff. And then if I say create a pull request, then what do I do? Then what happens? Because I just asked what the difference between push and pull requests and merges are. I don't remember. I mean, I remember kind of what happened. Okay, so open a pull request, create a pull request, comparing changes for across force. I don't need to do that. Diff comparisons. Okay, able to merge. All right, so I create this pull request, and then dude, I think if you did this plus, I'm not sure how you would use all the coding agents together, but I think you could. So if I merge this, then it merges it. Oh, it merged into main from the branch. Okay, so now this is not. So I have 3 branches. Okay, so it's supposed to build over here, but I just merged that into main, and so now these are here in main. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to, first of all, I need to create an env file. Because I need to basically make sure I have an OpenAI key that is in there right now, so I don't forget it. Equal sign, learned that the hard way. Okay, to commit that to main. Okay, so it just built out that feature. It said that I can ask for more credits if I just ask them. And I think I'll probably get it. So I don't think. Okay. Let's see this right here. When the transcription is finished, feed the transcription to the Pocket Contact Master. OpenAI. API call. Interesting. Okay. So, okay. Okay, so I'm going to feed actually both of these into it. I just want to see if it can do it. I don't even know. I know you're probably going to make mistakes. I'm not really worried about that, honestly. I'm just not going to push future building. And then I'm going to say, where's my Gen Prompt Framework doc? This is why you need a Gen Prompt Framework doc. And then I'm going to do this. and see what it does. I'm assuming it's going to take it sequentially, but you never know, right? Okay, so I'll let it do that. Let's check and see what features it built for me. Okay, so add placements, analytics, articles, episodes, favorites, newsletter subscriptions, newsletters, profiles, subscribers. Okay, so I need to create different. Okay, so let's make sure diffs are on because this is gonna take. Okay, cool. All right. There should be 3 different types of main users. Each type uses different. Oh, Jules is already ready? Well, let's see what you got planned. Okay, set up project structure. Okay. So yeah, add a function, get publisher profile. Okay, that makes sense because I said that you needed to apply it to each publisher profile. Constructs the prompt by inserting the transcript. I didn't approve it. I didn't approve it. You're going too fast. I mean, I guess I could just reject the pull request, but I like that every single time it's adding a unit testing. I think that's good. Now that I know what a unit test is, and I didn't just like 48 hours ago. Yeah. Add a main function, process transcription path. Call supervisor service, get publisher profile to get publisher data, calls API service, generate content blocks with the transcripts in the profile, returns generated content. Cool. All right, well, this rate of innovation is insane. I get 5 tasks a day. I thought it was on the website it says month. Dude, I can work on 5 tasks a day. Holy crap. That's so generous. I can basically do 5 of these for every project. It's going to speed up my project creation for each product. Wow, that's kind of insane. Jeez. This is crazy, man. Because I have so many products that I'm building. So having 5 of these tasks per day is going to be really, really helpful, especially given that it's free and especially given that 11 Labs just said they're going to start charging me for things.